Good evening. Today we are going to look at the Calcutta Football League updates for 2023. So right now, this is a Power BI analytics app that has been created now and which is online. And the URL for the same will be shared on the bottom of the YouTube video. So currently you can see on the top that is the ticker bar that shows the win percentage by team based on the number of matches they have played. So as of now you can see it starts from the teams with the most number of wins and in the descending order of the percentage of wins they have happened based on the number of matches they have played. So as you can see, Taliban Jagragami has only won 14.23% of the time. FCI has won only 12.50%. West Bengal Police 11.1. So if you stay on this page, you'll be able to see the ticker tape coming in and showing you that the win percentage of the teams. And Mohammedan currently has 83.3% of wins. So now let's see some analytics on it. So if you tap on this, now here you can check three things. One, first of all, on the top there are two filters that you can select based on the group if you want to look at only group A or group B. The second is if you want to look at teams based on the qualification for the knockout stage. Both are available. And next you have a bar chart that actually shows you the points per game achieved by the teams currently. So as you can see, Bhawanipur FC and Mohammedan and Mohan Bagan Super Group have 2.5 points, 2.5 points per game, and out of which Bhawanipur and Mohan Bagan have qualified in the top three, and Mohammedan have yet to qualify. So that is that because if you select on Group A, you can see right now here that Mohammedan SG Super Group has, my apologies, Mohan Bagan Super Group has 2.5 points per game and they have already qualified for Super 6 based on the points table. But here, if you want to see a little more detailed on how Mohan Bagan Super Group has been playing, you can just tap on their name and you can see it shows the number of wins they had, percentage of wins they had, percentage of draws and loss. So as of now, Mohan Bagan has not lost a match, but they have drawn 25% of the matches that they have played, but they have won 75% of the matches. Similarly, for Mohammedan SC, if you click, you can see they have won 83% of the matches, but they have lost 16.67% of the matches. They haven't drawn any matches here. So that is why I think in this group, Mohan Bagan, Diamond Harbour FC, and Kalighat MS are on a top three currently. But points per game wise, Kalighat Mohammedan still holds better than Kalighat because you can see Kalighat has 11.1% of losses, but Mohammedan has 16% losses. So that makes Kalighat has higher points in the table. So like that, you can check it. Or if you want to look at Group B, you can just tap it here and look at Group B and you can just tap on Group B again. It'll get, and now you can check on qualifications. So if you want to see for the teams qualified for Super 6, you can see here these are the teams who have qualified for Super 6 and all of them are points per game. So when I say points per game means number of points acquired divided by the number of games. So that is points per game. So Bhawanipur FC, as you can see here, 75% win and 25% draws. Mohan Bagan Super Group, same, 25%, 75% win and 25% draw. So like that, you can see it here and you can tap out of it. So the other thing you want to see is the top scorer for this. So if you tap on this arrow on the top right corner, and it will take you to the top goal scorer. So as of now, you can see Suhail Ahmed Bhatt has 8 goals in his game, so followed by David Sanga. I'm sorry about the misspelling of the name, which has 7 goals. So as you can see, what I've tried to do is get the players which have maximum number of goals. So as of now, it only top 10 goal scorer, but because there are a lot of players under who have scored 3 goals, so you can see a lot of names here. But here, it's very interesting that you can see that how many players are there in the top 10 goal scorer from which team. So if you tap on Aryan FC, you have 3 players, of which Saikat Sarkar is the top scorer. Then you can see Mohan Bagan Super Group, from which Suhail Ahmed Bhatt has been doing very well this season. Followed by Mohammedan SC, you can see David Lalsanga, Winston and Vikas Singh have done very well for their respective teams. So based on the names that you tap on, you can see the players and which team they belong to. And the other way around, you can see if you tap on David's name, you can see which team he belongs to on the bottom. Right. So the other thing that you have here is the bottom navigation pane. So if you tap on home, it will take you to the home page, and you can see the ticker tape coming up on the top where Mohammedan SC's win percentage is showing up. But if you tap on this, you can also tap on CFL GD, so that will give you the relegation and promotion based on the goal difference that they have. So I can see Mohan Bagan and East Bengal have the highest goal difference, followed by Mohammedan and RNFC. Again, the same thing applies. You can slice it based on Group A and the qualification. So if you see qualified for Super 6, so these are the teams and their goal difference who have currently qualified for Super 6. And the same goes for relegation round. You can see the teams which have the highest number of goal difference. Calcutta FC is not doing very well this year. And you can move it to the goal scorer ones as well from this page. All right. Thank you for watching. If you want to access this particular analytics system, you can check the description of this YouTube video. And this data gets updated every evening at 6 o'clock. So if you're planning to see update data, I will request people to view it after 6 p.m. IST every day. Thank you and have a great day.